If you need to change your password on DAZN, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the DAZN website or open the DAZN app. Enter your current login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile section, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select password change option. Look for an option that says change password or password settings. Click on this option to proceed to the password change page. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified requirements for security. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click on the Save or Update button to finalize the password change. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for added safety.